Ever wondered how plants stay healthy and grow? Well, it's not just sunlight. There's a whole secret list of nutrients they depend on. Let's uncover the essentials plants' nutrients. Plants need nutrients for the same reason animals need them, and that is to survive. Plants use nutrients for growth, fighting diseases in pets, reproduction, and germination. Plant nutrients are classified as macronutrients and micronutrients based on the quantity needed by the plants. Plant macronutrients are nutrients required by plants in larger quantities. Plant macronutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Nitrogen is vital for protein synthesis, enzyme activity, and chlorophyll formation, which is crucial for photosynthesis. Challenge 1. Can you think of a plant that thrives in nitrogen-poor soil? Let us know in the comments. Phosphorus supports energy transfer via ATP, promotes root development, flower and seed production. It is also important for DNA and RNA synthesis. It's like the battery that powers everything from root growth to seed production. Try this. Next time you see a blooming flower, remember phosphorus is behind its vibrant color. Potassium regulates water uptake, enzyme activation, and protein synthesis. It also improves resistance to disease and environmental stress. Challenge 2. Potassium helps regulate water uptake. Ever wondered how plants survive during a drought? Drop your guesses on how they manage water in the comments. Calcium strengthens cell walls, assists in root and leaf growth, and is essential for cell division and elongation. Challenge 3. Next time you snap a plant stem, remember, calcium keeps it from breaking too easily. What do you think would happen to the plant if it didn't have enough calcium? Magnesium is the central component of chlorophyll, which is essential for photosynthesis. It is also important for enzyme activation and protein synthesis. By the way, magnesium is the heart of chlorophyll. Without it, plants couldn't capture sunlight, which means no food for them and no oxygen for us. Sulfur is important for protein formation and enzyme activity, and it is a part of vitamins and coenzymes like vitamin B1. Without sulfur, a plant's enzymes wouldn't function properly. What do you think would happen if a plant had no functioning enzymes? Comment your thoughts. Plant micronutrients are nutrients required by plants in smaller quantities. Plant micronutrients include iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine. Iron is crucial for the synthesis of chlorophyll, and it is involved in electron transfer during photosynthesis. Ever seen yellowing leaves on a plant? It's often a sign of iron deficiency. Can you name another cause of this issue? Manganese plays a role in photosynthesis, nitrogen metabolism, and the synthesis of some enzymes. Zinc is involved in enzyme function, protein synthesis, growth regulation, and hormone production like auxins. Copper acts as a catalyst in photosynthesis and respiration. It is also involved in lignin synthesis and strengthens plant tissues. Here's a tricky one. Copper helps in lignin synthesis. Can you guess how lignin affects a plant? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Boron is important for cell wall structure, sugar transport, and reproduction, that is pollen tube growth and seed development. Molybdenum assists in nitrogen fixation and nitrate reduction necessary for nitrogen metabolism. Chlorine is involved in osmosis and ionic balance within the plant, and photosynthetic oxygen production. Can you guess what happens to a plant if it has too much or too little chlorine? Let us know in the comments. To recap, plant macronutrients are nutrients required by plants in larger quantities. Plant macronutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Plant micronutrients are nutrients required by plants in smaller quantities. Plant micronutrients include iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine. Now that you know what fuels plants from the inside out, next time you see a garden, think about the invisible warriors working their magic. Stay tuned, stay curious, because in the next video, we'll explore plants' diseases associated with nutritional deficiency. You don't want to miss it.